One of the best features about the influence marketing platform is that it's been designed with the promise in mind that it's so intuitive you'll swear it was built just for you. We've got lots of features that are baked into our software that make it easy for marketers to find the data that they want, to sort and organize the messages that they plan on sending, and get reporting on things that they've already sent. So let's take a look at some of those high-level features. Here on the homepage, you'll see there's quite a few information that you can use just to get a good sense of how things are going today. You'll see that you can start off by creating new emails, new social posts, you can add new contacts, you can create new groups, you can import contacts if you want to do a manual import, all from within this home screen. You've also got a high-level overview of how your website traffic's been performing, how much your audience growth has grown over time, what your total reach is across your integrated social media platforms, and we have a couple of other features that are really great for you to look at who's most engaged with your content. First up, we've got top contacts by contact score right here on this homepage, as well as top domains by contact score, which will help you see if you're looking for a B2B list, which accounts are most engaged with your content. One of the cool things about any email address you see in our system, so you can click on that email address and you can see all of the things that the system knows about this person. So here you'll see I've got a contact score. You can look at my contact detail record. You can see my standard fields. You can see my custom fields. If we scroll down, you see I've got quite a few custom fields. You can also see my custom content variables as well. If I scroll back up, you can see all of the groups that I'm a member of and control my group membership. If I had some pending automated emails, you'd be able to see which automated emails I was pending for and take me out of them if you were needing to. You can see every email that I've been sent and what I did with that email. You can see every landing page I visited and what I did there, every survey I've taken, every website page I visited, and my various contact scoring models as well. You can even see a timeline of all of the activities that I have currently completed with your content, as well as what my first entry point was too. Now, a couple other really nice things that we've got here is a drag and drop marketing calendar where you can plan out your events simply by dragging items on here to the calendar and get going from there. We also have the ability to use a drag and drop workflow. So if you're more of a visual person and you want to see what it's like to create a new workflow, it's easy to just drag in content here and just continuously connect the dots. You can drag in conditions such as when people view, click, or if you want to create custom decisions, it's really easy for you to configure what those look like. You can select any number of queries here and start branching off your email strategy based on that. Now, if you want to get into automated list building, we also have a really great feature here called the Query Builder. And that Query Builder is going to help you automatically build all kinds of relevant queries that you can dynamically add people into. One that I really like here is this inactive list. And so what you're doing here is you're just going to go query everyone who's inactive for the last 6 months. You can layer on here a client list or a lead list from your CRM system, and you can automate emails to people whenever they reach an inactive period of whatever time you determine. That's a great use of your time. You can also build your own queries. So if you wanted to build something from scratch, we can base these off of date fields. We can base them off of landing pages, website pages, contact scores, or any of your custom fields as well. And then of course, everything that you're going to build in the influence marketing platform is drag and drop. So here's our landing page builder, super easy for you to drag in different content types. You can create things at the page level. If you look at layout types, you can drag in layouts. If you look at content types, you can easily drag in our various content types, and all of this is super simple. You're just dragging stuff over and off you go. Same thing with emails. The experience is just the same. So we'll just pop over there real quick and take a look at how easy it is to build an email in the influence marketing platform. We've even got a way for you to get walked all the way across the top here, from picking out your template to composing the email and selecting what you want to choose. Just like with landing pages, we've got lots of different content types that you can pull in. It's easy to create an A/B split test. Just simply by clicking that button, you'll see that you've got this next version of your email ready to go, and then you can select your testing parameters. You can run previews, including with pre-flights. So if you wanted to see what your email is going to look like before you hit send, we have this option as well. It takes a minute for us to just click pre-flight. We'll wait for our results, and you'll see that they'll come in here across dozens of different inboxes as we get pictures back from the email and asset integration. And then lastly, we also have at the very end of this process a send checker that's going to run through and look for any potential issues that we have before hitting send. Now, the last thing I want to show you about how easy it is to use the influence marketing platform is just simply by taking a look at some of our sent email reports. So we're going to expand out our date here, go find a great sample email with some good reporting on it. And what you'll look at here is that we've got this really great visual of how well this email performed, and then the ability to dig in deeper. So you can create reports based on domains, based on groups, based on devices. You can also pull reports based on some of your variables. So if you're using variables, let's say you want to send with sales rep in mind, you can even break down by variable how well an email performed and which variable had the highest performance. Of course, all of this is easy to download, or you can add to new groups as well. And if you wanted to see just based on links, every time you look at a link that was included in an email, you'll see everyone who clicked on it. And of course, just like before, you can always open this up and see more about that person. Long story here, we've got lots of different ways for you to make using the influence marketing platform super intuitive. And of course, as we always say, so intuitive that it was built just for you, because we're always taking feature requests and recommendations, and we'd love to hear what you want to see us build next. Thank you.